To fully reset Bluetooth drivers on Windows using commands, you can do following steps. For this, go to Search and type Task Manager and then select Task Manager from the list. There, click on Run New Task. You will get a pop-up. There, type CMD, check the Run as Administrator checkbox, and then click the OK button. This will open command prompt as administrator. Now type following command. Type netsh winsock reset and press enter. After that, type netsh int IP reset and press enter. These reset the winsock catalog and IP stack, which can resolve Bluetooth driver related communication issues. Now let's restart Bluetooth support service. For this, type net stop bthserv and press enter. This will stop Bluetooth support service. Type Y and press enter. Next, type net start bthserv and press enter. This too command will restart Bluetooth services. After that, just restart your PC. On the next startup, you will find Bluetooth working, as we have completely reset it. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.